Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making a super fun Shamrock Margarita just in time for St. Patrick's Day. Before we get started, I wanted to share 3 fun facts about St. Patrick's Day. 1. The original color of St. Patrick was blue and later turned to green during the Irish independence. 2. 4-leaf clovers are actually super rare, only 1 in every 5,000. 3. So the folklore around St. Patrick's Day and wearing green is that if you don't wear green, the leprechauns will see you and they'll pinch you. So make sure to wear green so you're invisible to the leprechaun. Let's jump right into our ingredients. So we're going to need some ice, Midori, Cointreau, tequila, simple syrup, some pineapple juice, 1 lemon, some margarita salt, and for the garnish, some little airheads. Into our shaker, we are now going to place all of our ingredients. Starting off with half a lime, oh, your force. Okay. Then the Midori. Remember, all ingredients are going to be down below. Our simple syrup. Our pineapple juice. That's already smelling so yummy. Our Cointreau. And our tequila. Or all of it, I'm just kidding. All right, now time to shake this all up. Alrighty, once that's all shaken, we're gonna add some ice inside our blender. Now into our blender, we're gonna put about 16 ounces of ice. Or a little more. Then we're gonna put in our mixture. Once everything is in, we're gonna blend for about 30 seconds. Now, once that's done, we're going to rim our margarita cup and then we're gonna pour this in. Grab some lime. We're gonna dip it inside some margarita salt. Just like that. Now we're gonna pour our margarita right in. All right, and to top it off, we're gonna garnish it with some cute airhead rainbow stripes. And there you have it, a Shamrock Margarita. Super fun and festive, just in time for the holiday. I hope you try this recipe and join me next time to see what we get into.